You guys there? Hello, you guys. Welcome to today's video. That's a heavy box monster. Welcome to today's video, you guys. We're so excited because we are doing a collections video today. We are going to our vending machines. We're collecting money out of our vending machines. We don't think we're going to get to all of them because it's already like 4 o'clock and they close at 6:30, but we're going to go to as many as we can. We're going to check on them. We have not checked on our machines. We've been on self-isolation. We've been staying home. So it's time to go put money out. It's time to go fill them up. We're taking everything that we possibly need, and that's it. We're prepared. We have our face mask, we have gloves, and that's it, you guys. Stay till the end. Make sure you stay till the end so that we can count the money with you guys and you guys can see how much we pulled out. We don't know what to expect, so it'll either be a lot of money or no money. We'll see. Stay till the end to find out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell and like this video. Let's go. Guys, we just got to our location. I don't know if you can see me. I kind of want to talk before I go in there because I'm gonna have to put this face mask on, and I don't think you're gonna be able to understand what I'm saying. So we have just pulled up. Alejandro's already in there. We got everything kind of unloaded. We had it nice and full. He took everything inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and head inside, and I'm gonna pull the money out of the machines, and let's just see how much we pull out of this location, and hopefully we have time to go to a couple more. So let's check this out. We're all done. Those machines are full. He's just cleaning them. Not bad, you guys. We dropped the soda on the floor. Typical. Always happens. Never fails. But anyways, we have everything nice and full. You guys, it's day 2 of us collecting money from our machines. We didn't have a chance to finish it all in one day, so we are gonna finish up today. We're gonna go to 3 of our locations. We went to 1 the other day, so this is a different day. But anyways, we're all loaded up and we're ready to go. It's windy.
A few moments later.
You guys, we made it to our location. We're on time today, so let's go see how we did. It's been 15 days since we've come to this location. This is where we have our soda machine and our snack machine. Pretty good. machine. Let's see how much we have here. Wow. Where he was anyway. That's pretty good. This is just for this location. We have pouches for each location separately. So this is pretty good for 15 days, considering the situation, what's going on. You guys know what's going on. I don't need to say it. That's not bad at all. So we're going to fill up these machines really, really quick, and then we'll see you guys in the next location. Okay guys, we just got to another one of our locations, but we're not allowed to film inside. So we're gonna go in, get the money, fill up the machines, come back out, and show you guys how much money we pulled out. Oh, you guys, we just collected the money from this location and we're shook, okay? We honestly didn't know what to expect picking up money from our machines this week, because we all know these are hard times and businesses are being affected, and this is, you know, our small vending machine business, and we just didn't know what to expect. So we just, you know, got done collecting money from this location, and you guys, I cannot even explain to you guys how grateful we feel. Look at how much money we pulled out. This is from this location. This black one's from this location. The one that we just collected money from is the other one, and this is this location. It's double the money, you guys. There's fives in here. I kind of squinted through. I think there's probably $50 in just fives, and not even counting all of the ones. So, and then all the change that we pulled out, we'll show you guys when we count everything, of course, at home, but there's a lot here. Look at how much we pulled out of the first location. This is the location that we just came from right now. Look at, and that's a lot, and the other stack that we just pulled out is even more. So we're blessed, you guys. This is a lot for this location. One snack machine, one soda machine, and we're not even done yet. We still have to go to 2 more locations. So Alejandro's filling it up real quick. He's putting the sodas inside the machine. I was loading up all the snacks and stuff, and I'm just waiting for him so we can hurry up and go to the other location, and if we have time, another one. So hopefully we'll be able to collect from 4 locations today. You guys, we're excited. Can't wait to show you guys, you know, the end, how much we collected between all the machines this week. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next location. Okay, here we are, another location. Let's go inside. We made it right in time, you guys. They're closing soon. So, okay, they're telling us that Arizona. We're gonna have to take them out of here. Probably just put the bottles because the cans are popping. So that's a problem. We can't have that. So we're just gonna take these cans out and probably just leave bottles. You live and you learn. It just kind of has to happen for us to know what works and what doesn't. Let's see how the other machine is doing. Oh, okay. Wow, do you guys see that? Empty, 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 empty. Whole row up there's empty, 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 empty. And empty. Oh my goodness, guys, this soda machine is empty. Let me show you. Hold on, he's wiping it. He's wiping it down because we had some accidents and things are spilling, but this is nice. Empty. Empty. Pretty much empty. The back is good, but the front here, empty. And over here, there's a little bit, but I mean, let's pull the money out. Let's see how much we have. Let me see if I can do this by myself. Okay, so we just pulled this out of the soda machine. Now we're gonna pull this out of the snack machine. Let's see how this. Oh my goodness gracious. Can I help you? Yes, please. Wow. That is really good. Oh my goodness gracious. Pretty good. That's really good. So we have big chips up here, basically empty. Little chips here. Crackers. Bars, chocolate bars. Oh, we have a lot to fill up. We had 2 lines of apple pies and they all sold. And then we had Danishes here and they all sold. So we gotta do that again. We put 2. We have a whole box to put more apple pie and Danishes because they love it here.
1 hour later.
You guys, we have been here for an hour, over an hour, but look at this. We're nice and full, nice and stocked up. You guys, you saw how empty it was. It was empty. We have to fix this light bulb here. The light bulb goes right here, and we took the light bulb thinking that that was an issue, but it's actually this part that's the problem. So we gotta replace that. Oh, I almost dropped it. And bring that back. And same thing with the soda machine. We did some changes here. We brought up the Arizonas closer. We're gonna see if that helps. If not, then we're just gonna bring in the bottles. And then we just have to bring Coke. We're gonna have to probably come back because we're out of Coke. You guys, we ran out of stuff. We literally ran out of product to fill the machines. Like, we filled it completely up. Let's see if you can see the cans all the way up to the top as much as we could. So that's it, you guys. We're gonna get going. And over here, staying sanitary, staying safe. My face mask came off, it broke, but we're gonna get going. Let me show you guys the car. Like, when I say that we emptied, we had the truck full of like sodas and stuff, like all the boxes of sodas, and now we don't have any. Look, these are all empty boxes back there. Show them, baby. Empty boxes, empty boxes. Empty boxes. So we feel blessed, you guys. We've had like a very productive day, and we collected money from all the, well, not all of them. We still have one more. You guys, we still have to go to one more location. I don't know what we're gonna do because we don't have any more product. Like, we filled up the machines with everything, like all of the snacks. I mean, we have some stuff, but not enough to fill up our combo machine that we're about to go to. But we're gonna go check it out. We'll show you guys right now. We don't know. I don't know. We have no clue, like, if it needs to be filled, how empty it is. Like, we don't know. But so far, can you guys see me? The sun's in my face. So far, like, all of our machines have been doing really, really good. and we weren't expecting that. Like, we weren't expecting to pull that much money out of all of our machines. So we're really excited, but at the same time, we're out of everything. We still have one more location, and you know, I did want to tell you guys, like, we have 2 locations that have been fully impacted, which are our 2 retirement homes. Those are not selling at all. Those are the 2 locations that we know our vending machines are closed up in an arcade room, and the arcade is completely closed because of everything going on. You know, it's a retirement home. They have to protect the elders, obviously, and they have them, you know, staying in their rooms. It's like a retirement building, and they're staying in their rooms. They're not allowed to come out, basically, and they're definitely not allowed in the arcade room, so there's no way they're getting any of our product out of our machines. So those 2 locations at the retirement homes, they're soda machines, and those are the ones that we're not going to go to because we know they're closed. But other than that, all of our locations have been doing really, really good. So we're excited. Let's go check one more location, our combo machine. Let's see how it does. And yeah. You guys, they closed. They closed, but it's okay. We were running against the clock, you guys, because we took an hour out. I think it was more than an hour we took at our last location because it was completely empty. Like, it takes time filling it up, and we have the soda machine, and we have to make some changes, and that took time. So we didn't make it in time. I'm just gonna come back tomorrow by myself when he's at work. I'm gonna come in the morning and just bring what I need from what I have at the house and fill it up tomorrow. It's no big deal. It's okay. It happens. Either way, we're really, really happy today. Like, we did, you know, our machines, not us, we didn't do really well. Our machines did really, really, really good. Like, we're so proud of our locations because they're still in business. People are still coming in and out. The workers are there. They're buying snacks. The clients are buying snacks. And, you know, our machines produced a lot of money. Like, we're going to get home and we're going to count all of it, and we're going to show you guys how much. But we for sure pulled out way more than we normally do. Like, you guys saw the stacks of money. So no worries for the other machine. We'll tell you guys what we pulled out of our locations. That was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 locations maybe, if we count the other days. 4 locations. So we're gonna see how much money we pulled out of 4 locations. We are back home. We had a long day, you guys. It's dark outside. We're out and about collecting money from machines. You guys, look at this. This was we told you we had already started on one of our locations. We're gonna count it again, but we had already counted that. And then here we have the 3 locations that we went to today. And I'm telling you guys, we cannot believe how much money we pulled out of the machines. Like, let's count it. Let's count it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in little by little stacks because sometimes when we put it all at once, it gets stuck, and we don't want to risk it. The total for all 4 locations, 4 of our locations. Okay, so 476, we're gonna add it all up, plus we have 101 with 10 cents. I'm gonna put it right here. Plus 101.10 cents. Those cents count, you guys. And then we have the bigger bills. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 95, 90, 95, 100. 10, 15, 115. So we're gonna add plus 115. That equals out to 692, you guys. This is our total for 4 of our locations that we went to this week. We have more locations. We did not get to all of them, but we're really excited because we did pretty good with just these locations. So anyways, you guys, that is it. That is the total of 4 of our locations. Like I said, it was only 4. So hopefully next time when we do collections video, we will collect from all of our locations and all of our vending machines. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us collect all the money and count it. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for next week's video. Bye.